Again, here we are. Now I am starting reading, and I hope you all are reading it with me. The mongoose is a small brown mammal. What is it? Is it a sentence or a word? Yes, you are right. It is a sentence because it is starting with the capital letter and it stops on a full stop and it has a complete idea. The mongoose is a small brown mammal. It is a first sentence. Got it? It has a long body, a pointed face, and a long tail. Full stop. It has sharp teeth and sharp claws. How many sentences this paragraph has? It has 3 sentences. Yes, 1, 2, 3. The same thing you have to continue. You have to read the whole text and find the answers about the questions that we have already read at the back side on page 92. Okay, it is your classwork. Now write the date here on the top of the page. Then open your English 2 copies. Come on here, write the today's date, write the topic name, reference as we usually do. We all are habitual to do this. Reference, page 92, exercise, no exercise. To write all the answers here, just write the answers, do not write the questions. Okay, now come on once again on the book, here on page 93. Exercise 1, find 5 paragraphs in the passage. Do you know paragraphs? Yes, paragraph number 1 is starting from here till here, then number 2, then number 3. Paragraph is a group of sentences together. It usually has one main idea. Okay, so there are, how many paragraphs are there? You have to go through with the passage and then write the number of paragraphs here after this. Then match each of these main ideas to one of the paragraphs. Example, paragraph 1. Paragraph 1 is about what a mongoose looks like. Can you see here? Yes, it is a first paragraph. It is all about the mongoose appearance. How does it look? The mongoose is a small brown mammal. It is all about the looks of mongoose. So it is about this. Now mongoose can be pets. In which paragraph it is described? I think so it is here in the last paragraph. It is the 5th paragraph of this text. So you have to mention here in the 5th paragraph, this is mentioned. Okay, the same way you have to continue with all these queries. Done? Do this exercise in your book. Then how many sentences are there in the first paragraph? We all have explained it already. How many sentences? I think there were, now it is your task. Do it here. Okay, write the today's date here also. It is your task. Done? This task is finished. Now open your workbook, page number 62. It is once again about the mongoose. The paragraph that is given to you here, it is about all about parrots. Now read this text. Come down here. All the exercises you have to do in the book, nowhere else. Okay. Exercise 1. Read the passage. Take the correct meaning of each word. Habitat. You all know in the science, your science teacher told you about habitat. Habitat is all about the animals' living habits. Where do they live, and what do they eat, and all things about. Okay, it is habitat. So you have to just tick in the right correct column. Which word tells you about habitat? I think how tall trees grow. It is about habitat. No. Where an animal lives. How long an animal lives. I think where an animal lives, it is the right answer. The same way you have to do these exercises also. Okay, write 2 sentences about your appearance. How do you look like? How do you look like? You have to describe yourself here. Okay, just 2 sentences. Then page 64. Once again you have to read the passage and do the queries. Which of these would make a good title for the passage? When you read the passage, then you have to take in the right column. What is the suitable title? Hollow tree, all about Harun, the school bus. Which is the suitable column? Which is the suitable title for this passage? Then how many paragraphs are there? Now you have to check the paragraphs. 1, 2. It is your task. Then exercise 4. What is the main idea of each paragraph? Paragraph 1. You have to write paragraph 1 here. Then read the paragraph carefully and get the idea. What is the main idea of this paragraph? Because every paragraph or each paragraph tells you about one idea. So this paragraph tells you about Harun's dog, Harun's sister, or Harun's family. Take in the right column. There are 3 paragraphs given to you and they have given you options. This is your task. Okay, write today's date here and on this page, and submit me your work positively on the given date. I hope you all will do it perfectly and submit me your work in time. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.